A common injury that we see in the workplace involves injuries to your head, your back, your neck, because these can arise from things like a slip and fall, a twist and pivot, a car accident, a truck accident, lifting something heavy can all result in injuries to the spine. And also, when it comes to injuries to your head, this can also result from a motor vehicle accident, from a slip and fall where you might land on your head or your head impacts a desk or a shelving unit. These are all the types of injuries that could certainly occur in a workplace accident. Medical evidence is essential in a case of workers' compensation because the injury not only has to occur at the workplace, but it also has to be causally related. So if someone has a pre-existing condition to their back or their neck or their head, oftentimes the insurance carrier will take a position, hey, you had these problems before. However, just because you had an accident or a condition that existed before your work-related accident doesn't mean that the insurance carrier doesn't have to provide you with treatment. They might get a credit later on for whatever condition existed before, but they still have an obligation to provide you treatment for the injuries that you sustained. And if you have a predisposition or a pre-existing condition giving rise to a worsening condition as a result of the accident itself, you're entitled to workers' compensation benefits. Don't let the insurance company tell you otherwise. Unfortunately, with injuries to the spine and to the head, oftentimes there are significant residuals that persist. And in workers' compensation, the third type of benefit that you're entitled to would be a permanency award. And with payment of that permanency award, you have within 2 years of the date the insurance carrier last pays a benefit to reopen your case if you need additional treatment. And oftentimes with injuries to the spine, whether that be the neck, the back, or your head, oftentimes those injuries do require treatment going forward, whether that be in the form of physical therapy or pain management or additional surgery. But with workers' compensation, you do have the ability under most circumstances to come back and ask for additional treatment. Here at the Epstein Law Firm, we can assist you with your long-term injuries to your spine, whether that be your back or neck, or injuries to your head.